Good morning. This morning I have found another recipe, and I've got what it takes. It's called "Are You Kidding Me" cake. You can use any flavor cake. I am using Betty Crocker Super Moist Chocolate Cake. I am using a can of cherry pie filling. Take that. I hope everybody's doing all right this morning. I've been wanting something sweet. And it takes 3 eggs. I'm going to mix these up. You can blend this, mix it up with your mixer if you want to, but I think I can get it. Grease pan here, if you can see that. Need a piece or 2 of this now, and I'm going to cover it with tin foil and put it in the deep freeze. I've got a bunch of stuff cooked out there in the deep freeze. That way when somebody comes to eat, I'll have plenty. All I've got to do is take it out, let it warm up. Okay, I'm going to stick this in the oven for 35 minutes at 350 degrees. I've got the cake out of the oven, and I'm going to cut me a piece. Oh, don't that look good? This is more like a brownie texture to it, but you can see it looks so good. I am gonna eat a bite of this. But don't that look good? I just got it out so it's hot. Oh, that is delicious. You can put whipped cream or whatever you want to put on top, or you maybe want to put a little icing on it. Or that would be great too. That is so good. But it's just got a cake mix, any flavor, a can of any kind of fruit pie filling, and 3 eggs, and it's ready to go. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching.